Daybreak is a cooperative board game about stopping climate change. So in Daybreak, players work together as world powers. They can be either the US, China, majority world, or Europe. And together, they have to reduce global emissions to net zero globally, while at the same time weathering a set of crises that keep on happening and become more intense as temperatures are rising. So you win when you reach drawdown, so when the temperatures are starting to draw down, and you lose if you get too many communities suffering as a result of climate change. So Daybreak started as a lockdown project during COVID, when me and Matt Leacock, who's the co-designer, met over Twitter, and then we started a conversation about how we could use cooperative games to try and model a systemic crisis like the climate crisis, and especially the solutions that exist to the climate crisis. So Daybreak really is about making people aware of the wealth of solutions that exist to the climate crisis, solutions that are realistic. So we worked a lot with climate scientists, policymakers, people that work in climate humanitarian spaces, to show that working together to solve the climate crisis is possible. It's challenging, but it's something that as team humans we can pull off. Daybreak is for families. It's a mass market product. So with Daybreak, we want to really reach a wide audience of people who are primarily interested in playing games. So Daybreak is an engaging, fun, cooperative play activity. And while you play, you will learn a lot about the climate crisis and about the solutions to the climate crisis. So in our playtest, we had people as young as 6-year-old playing Daybreak with their parents or with their teachers, all the way up to 80 plus. So it's really a wide range of people. Daybreak is currently available in English and German, and it will be available in Dutch, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian later this year, next year.